Good morning, class, and welcome back to your favorite subject. Yes, I know you love to do artwork. So, welcome back to your art class. I hope you all are doing well, and we are going to learn and know about a very important thing that has a very important part in our life. It is about parts of a plant. Yes, it is about this. What I am holding. Well, it is an artificial plant, but I need to hold it because the plant that is available in my home that has thorns on it. So I cannot take it out and I do not want to pluck it out. That is why I took some flowers and some kind of a plant from my vase of home. See, I am holding a plant. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a plant and how to draw its parts. First of all, I am showing you here and no, not here. Actually, I want that you should watch a video for it. Then you would be able to know that what are its parts names, okay? Gonna share you the video of our own channel at Bold. There you can come to know that what are parts of the plants. Here it is. Please watch it.
Let's draw the plant. And these are some of the plant parts. Roots that grow into the stem. Roots grow under the soil. Stem grow over the soil. From the stems come out the leaves. Let's color those leaves. And this is the soil that we are coloring. Now let's draw the flower that grow on the plant. They come out as branches from the stem of the plant. Now let's color the flower. The plants also grow fruits. The fruits are grown on the branches of the stem. Now let's color the fruit.
This is a part of a plant. I hope you people have see it well and you come to know that what is the plant. See, I am holding a plant. They are its leaves. Okay. They are its leaves. This is a stem. And here there are roots. Right now there are no roots. Maybe there would be having some other roots in other. Let me pluck out some more if I would get no. Actually, in this kind of vase or in this kind of things we do not get roots because they are already cutting down. Well, leave it. For you, your main things are that this is the stem, this is the leaf, this is the flower, and here there are roots and then a soil. This is a colorful plant. I want you to draw a colorful plant too. So let us start drawing, okay? Firstly, I am going to draw the stem. See, these are the roots. What I have made the roots. Roots are made. What is this thing called? This is called stem. I hope you have learned this lesson in your science class very well from your ma'am Shaista, because she's teaching you science and maybe she has elaborated you very well. But my task is to just explain you how to draw a plant and how to label its parts, so you people should come to know how to draw it well. In your science, it will help you as well. Sorry. Then we are going to draw a bud. Here we are going to draw the leaves. What is this called? This is called a leaf. Okay? This is called a leaf stem. Now this is a flower. I have made a nice plan. And this is a flower. This all place can be called soil. I'm going to draw this flower again on the board that could be near to you, and then I will be drawing it on your other board also. See how I'm going to do. I am going to draw the stem. What I made, these are the roots. What is this? This is a stem. Now I need to take it up and then I need to draw the leaves. See how to draw the leaves? You need to draw like this. See, what is this called? This is called a leaf. Okay, now I am going to draw a flower bud here. And what is this called? This is called a flower. This is your lesson about parts of a plant because you people are supposed to draw the parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Leaf, flower, roots, and stem are the main things of any plant. Whenever you are going to see any plant around you, it is very easy for you to guess that what is it about and how to guess its parts. So these are the parts of the plants. Okay, class? Let me show you the plant again. Where I have lost my plant. And I want you to draw it well, color it very nicely. You can draw any color. See, leaves, flowers, leaves, stem. These are the main things. And if there are some kind of thorns like here, if you will see, I am also telling you that there were thorns and you will thorn. They are called thorns, mean they are having some kind of itchy things, but they are not, we are not like supposed to mention them. We are supposed to mention only parts of a plant. Please draw it and show me, all of you. Draw it well. Yes, nicely done. Wonderful, wonderful work of yours. Wonderful work. Well done. This is a great job, and I'm going to show it on your this screen also, this whiteboard screen. Okay. The last thing I'm going to do is optimize the video clip. I have to show you the video clip also. So let me draw the plant here. This is stem. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I am going to do something real nice because I want to color it, na? Yes, 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 yes. Draw. Okay, I don't need eraser now. Draw what? What to do, what to do, what to do, what to do, what to do. Okay, I'm coming again, please. Give me some time because I missed something like here. Here we are going to do with the brown color. Yes, I got. This is the stem. These are the roots. And then I'm going to draw the leaf. Leaf will be of green color. Then I'm going to draw the flower. I'm going to draw the red flower. I have made a nice plan. So this is my plan. Stem, roots, flower and leaf all are there. Okay, class, I hope you have understood it well. You can draw it any kind of any size. It's not necessary, it should be perfect. I have seen some of your plants. These are really very good. Do practice them, then you will be all right in them. I'll meet you in the next class of your next week in our class. Till the time, take care of you. Bye.